What's going on, good people? It's Will from High Caliber Firearms Training. Tonight I'm doing another dry fire uncut. So you'll see all the mistakes, zero editing. I'm just working to speed up my transitions. A lot of that has slowed down over the past year, so I'm just trying to get some of that speed back. So I'm going to do a draw, 2 on the far left target. I have a popper, 2 in the center, swinger, but it's not moving right now. Another popper, and then another target to the right. So 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Bang a reload, and then repeat that the other way. Bag out of the way, blocking my target. And I've given myself, I think, 7.5 seconds to do all that. So 7.5 seconds to engage, 3 targets, 2 each, and then 1 piece of steel, or 2 pieces of steel, 1 each. And then reload and do it again. So we'll see if we can get that done in 7.5. Not if I don't make my reload. You don't make the reload, it's 0 chance of making it. Be a little more deliberate. Clear my cover garment, almost knocked my Nike off. We'll go the other way. Not starting off well. Missed my reload again. 3rd time's a charm. Made the time, but I bobbled on my reload a little bit. Be a little more deliberate when clearing. I haven't done many reloads lately, so my reloads are a little rusty. Might speed that time up a little bit, give myself a little less time. That was my best reload, and that one was still probably, if I gave myself a score grade, I'd give myself an 85. Missed the draw. Yep, any little bobble, and that's a wrap. But that's good because I'm trying to push for speed, so I don't want a par time that's going to make it easy. Clearly, maybe I do need an easy one. Many mistakes I'm making tonight. All right. Okay. Split second late despite the bobble. There we go. Make sure I'm mindful of my grip and not just holding the gun knowing it's not going to fire, holding the gun like I would be if I was firing live rounds. Also not just pointing the gun at each target. I have the 2 outer targets and the center target are like this one. They just don't have hard cover. So I'm aiming for the center of the target. Make sure I see my dot in the center on each one. Same thing for the pieces of steel. There we go. Try to go out of order, so I'm gonna go paper, steel, paper, paper, steel. Draw to the center target. Yeah, that one I had to think a little bit. Thinking affected my transitions. Let's try it again. Yeah, a little late. We'll do the same thing in the opposite direction. No chance. Once you miss your reload. All right, so let's go back to what I was doing before, so I don't have to think, and I can just focus on the transition portions. We'll go right to left. Left to right. Made that one by a lot. So let's push a little bit and go down to 7 seconds. Now I just got to make sure that I'm staying relaxed even though I'm trying to speed up. Tension is the enemy of speed. Just made that. Reload wasn't the cleanest. It hit the front of the mag well instead of it going in cleanly. All right. Make sure I get my elbow down on my reload. There you go. That's how you reload, William. You can see I had some time to spare on that one. One good one. Oh, I still made it. One bad one. Looking at my watch, my camera will eventually just cut off at about 10 minutes. So once that happens, that's the end of the video. We're almost there. Change the way that I present the gun. Technique I'm using just to get on target. I'm experimenting with that, and it is faster. That is not faster. Really need to get on my reloads. I know once I go to a USPSA match or a action steel and I fuck up a reload during the match, I know I'm rusty. That hardly ever happens. There we go. All right, called all A's on that one too. A little sloppy on the draw. We'll take it.